Get ready to singing and dancing with me. In today's rhyme class, we are going to recite a beautiful rhyme. So are you excited?
Yes!
Okay, now stand up everyone and warm up your voice. Now let's start. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Kids, can we sing this rhyme? Let's try. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up stick. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up stick. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Very good, very good. You all are doing so well. So for your performance, today I will give you a big heart. And you keep revise this rhyme with actions. And if you enjoyed this rhyme class, then shower your love with like and subscribe. Now goodbye.